INS Aridhaman, nuclear-powered submarine, enters India's naval fleet. The closely guarded SSBN project, initially launched as the Advanced Technology Vessel (ATV) project, is being executed by the Shipbuilding Center (SBC) in Visakhapatnam. The first boat was launched in July 2009 and was quietly commissioned in 2016. The second indigenously built SSBN, INS Arighat, was commissioned in August 2024. Arihant and Arighat can carry about 12 K-15 Sagarika missiles or 4 K-4 missiles. The K-4 missiles have a range of about 3,500 kilometers and are developed as nuclear-capable submarine-launched ballistic missiles, SLBMs. Apart from SSBNs, India is also planning to indigenously build a few SSNs, nuclear-powered attack submarines, of which at least 2 are expected to be commissioned by 2036-39. Rajya Sabha passed the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Bill 2026. The IBC was enacted in 2016 to create a time-bound mechanism to deal with companies that default on their loans, by reviving them through resolution or liquidating them if resolution is not possible. Before this amendment, the IBC had already been amended 6 times. According to the existing code, the National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT, which oversees the corporate insolvency resolution process, has 14 days to decide on admitting an insolvency application. There are no other conditions except ensuring that the resolution professional faces no disciplinary proceedings and procedural requirements are met. Another major change in the IBC framework is the introduction of the Creditor-Initiated Insolvency Resolution Process, CIIRP. A draft plan outlining the relocation of Nicobarese tribal communities affected by the Union Government's Great Nicobar Island (GNI) mega infrastructure project to their ancestral lands has created confusion and is exacerbating existing apprehensions among locals. They have been, for 4 years, protesting the clearance for the 92,000 rupees crore project after withdrawing their consent in 2022, alleging that their forest rights had not been settled. However, the draft plan states, the project involves relocation to Rajiv Nagar and New Chinjan, while the draft specifies that its provisions have been drawn up under the 2013 Right to Fair Compensation and Transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act and the 1956 Protection of Aboriginal Tribes Act. It does not mention anything about rights under the Forest Rights Act of 2006. Russia promises to increase oil, LNG supplies to India. Russia says, particular attention paid to cooperation in oil and gas sector. Supply of mineral fertilizer to India increased by 40%. The high-level Russian visit is being seen as part of the preparations by the two sides ahead of the upcoming BRICS summit to be hosted by India.